Well, there are so many differences, but selling a house is almost always a freehold house, and a freehold sales pack is a relatively quick and straightforward thing to prepare. But a leasehold sales pack for a flat takes much longer.
There's nothing more important for us than a very good sales pack. It sets up the entire transaction. So we try and preempt everything possible from the very off to make sure things go as smoothly as possible.
When we receive a good sales pack for a leasehold flat, we know that the seller has put their back into it, that their lawyer has preempted some of the questions that they know we're going to ask. And so right from the start, you know there's a better chance of this transaction happening smoothly, quickly, efficiently. Like a freehold house, a sales pack for a flat will start with the title and the draft contract, and then two protocol forms called the property information form and the fittings and contents form. But for a flat, there's so much more.
So when we're asked to prepare a sales pack for a seller, we really do like to dig deep and really understand how the building is used, how the building works. Have you made any alterations? Have you made any updates? Once we obtain all that information from you, we then look to start building that sales pack and then contact the relevant people, whether that's managing agents or management companies, so that we can make sure from the very off the sales pack is very detailed and everything is there. So we will look to obtain those bits of information from you in terms of managing agents and management company, so we can obtain the LP1 form, which documents basically how the building is run.
The LPE1 is an industry standard form endorsed by all of the agents, surveyors, lawyers, and banks. And it's a set of questions that we send to the managing agency for the building.
Once we've got all the documentation through, we will then look to read through your lease just to make sure that there's no hidden gremlins or nothing that really needs to be updated.
When you're thinking of selling your flat, but let us get all the admin paperwork out of the way and start gathering the LPE1 and all of these forms that we can help you with, so that when a buyer comes along, we just click send and the whole transaction gets off to a flying start.